هنتكلم عليهم كل واحد على حدة. طيب classification of the cranial nerve. It's classified as I told you to the sensory cranial nerve and motor cranial nerve. Okay, sensory means called, it's contain afferent sensory fibers. Okay, afferent and efferent, if you focus on these, are different name. Afferent is meaning the sensory نفس المعنى. Efferent, it has the same meaning of the motor, so sometimes you will see one of them. Okay, the only sensory is the olfactory، زي ما قلنا هذا مهم في التيست. optical nerve ومهم لإيش؟ للvision. vestibulocochlear nerve is important for the balance and the auditory or the hearing، مهم بالنسبة لإيش؟ للتوازن والسمع. Okay, oculomotor nerve. This is only the motor. Okay, it has a motor neurons. Oculomotor and cochlear and obtuse sense. We said all these three are for the movement of the eye. يعني مهمتهم movement of the eye. هنتكلم عليهم بالتفصيل. We have the accessory. We say this is for two muscles. We have the hypoglossal, as we said, it supply the movement of the tongue. مهم بالنسبة لنا للmovement of the tongue. بعدين عندنا mixed، يعني بيحتوي على الsensory بيحتوي على إيش؟ على الموtor. So it's contain both of them. We have the trigeminal nerve, which we said it's important for us as a dentist for the teeth and for sensation. We have the facial nerve, as we said, it's important for the facial expression and also for the taste and salivary gland. We have the glossopharyngeal nerve, which is important for as we said, it's also for the taste. Okay, we have the vagus nerve also, as we said, it's important for a taste, and it's important for also the heart and the lung. Okay,